Okay, our task here today is to do some conversions in the metric system, and we're going to go over 3 examples. A long time ago, a teacher taught me a mnemonic. Mnemonic is a device for memorizing things, and this is a first letter mnemonic. It takes the first letters of the units in the metric system, and it's easy to remember for me. I memorized it really quickly. It's just King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk, and that's all the units in the metric system. This problem tells me I have to go from grams to milligrams. I have to change my mnemonic just a little bit for this one. Grams is right here in the middle. This would also be liters too. Liters, meters, and grams. Okay, so our starting point is the grams, and we're going to move to milligrams. So we're going to move this way. 1, 2, 3. So I take that 21. I have my invisible decimal right there, and I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to rewrite my answer as 21,000. Note I'm putting zeros in those empty spaces. I'll put my comma there, and then I'll put my label, milligrams. All right, I'm going to pause, and we're going to do a second example. Here we are with example number 2. And we're going from liters to kiloliters. King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk is my mnemonic. And you have to remember that meters in the middle is in the middle. And also liters and grams. Okay, in this case, we're going to go from liters to kiloliters. So we're starting again in the middle. And we're going to move 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So I'm going to take my 19,000. I love the metric system because it's so easy. And I'm going to make my invisible decimal visible, and I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3. So I have 19.0. I'm just going to write that as 19. And then I'll put my label there, kiloliters. Going to pause one final time and do one more example. I'll just read the mnemonic one last time. King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk. And we're going to move from kilometers, which is right here, to centimeters, which is right here. All right, so we jump 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We move 5 places. So I got to take my 29, and I will change colors here. 1, whoop, I don't want that color. It's invisible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's rewrite our 29,000 with the 5 zeros behind it. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's put in our commas. 2,900,000 centimeters. Watch this video again as many times as it takes. Now what you want to do is invent a mnemonic for this. Feel free to use that King Henry died Monday drinking chocolate milk, or if you can think of a funnier one, go ahead and use that.